Hello everyone. Now we will see our next very important interview question, that is frequency of each element in an array. For example, we have been given an array of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 and 4. So here we are able to see 1 is occurring one time, 2 is occurring two time, 3 is one time, 4 is two time, 5 is one time. So at the end we should get a result which says 1 colon 1, 2 colon 2, 3 colon 1, 4 colon 2, something like that. The element along with its frequency we want now. So let's see how we can achieve that. As we already know that object contain unique keys. So we can make use of that particular concept and can get the desired output. So here what is happening? We have created one empty object and now we are traversing through all the elements of the number. Then we are checking if obj.numbers of I. That means if we are checking if object is containing that particular element or not. Numbers of I means obj1 or 2 or 3 like that. If it is consisting that key or not. If it is not consisting, that means please assign that key to the value 1. Okay, so for the first time, suppose for the 2, it will be assigned value of 1. For the next time, when 2 will again come, it will say yes, it is existing, so it will not go inside if. It will go inside else block. So what we will do, we will again access that particular key, obj.2 we will access. Okay, obj.2 we will access from it. Then we will access the value of it. That means to access the value of the key, we used to write obj and in the bracket name. Like that we used to write. So obj in the bracket we will pass that value 2. So it will give us the value, previously it was 1. So it will give us value of 1. And now we are saying increment it by 1. So that means the value will be incremented by 1 now. So in this way, at the end we will get the desired output. Let's see in our VS Code. So first of all we have let ARR is equal to, in an array we are writing 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 5. Like this we have written the elements. Now we will create an object to store the frequency. Okay. Now we will run the for loop for the whole array, or we can go for the map also, not a big deal. Yes, now we will go ARR dot length. Okay. Yes. Now if we will check if current element is existing in an object or not. If it is not existing, assign it a value of 1. So what I will do, if obj of current element, that means current element is what for me? It is AR of I. If it is not existing, then what we will do? We will assign it a value of 1. We will take this element. So we have the key ready with us. We will assign that value 1. Suppose if that element is already existing, then what we will do? We will simply we will use this key. This is the key. So using key, we will add that particular key. We will assign the value. But whatever the value is currently existing, we will just append it by 1. Okay. So actually it is something happening. Name is equal to Khushbu. Like that case it is happening here. Okay. And now what we will do? At the end, we will write console.log. Now we will see obj. What it is showing. See, now it is showing 1 one time, 2 3 time, 3 one time, 4 2 time, 5 one time. So that way it works. Okay. So in this way we can find the frequency of each and every element in an array. Most of the time it is told in an interview. Print the element which is occurring maximum number of a time. So this is the first step in that particular thing. Once we got that, we can simply see the which element is occurring maximum number of a time by getting the value as a maximum and then printing the corresponding key for that. That you will surely do by yourself. So in the next video tutorial, we will see the most important concept of the array or the object combined together is destructuring. So stay tuned for the next video tutorial. We'll see you definitely there. Thank you very much.